Hey everyone, it's Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to clear and delete all your search history and your video history on YouTube using your computer or PC or anything like that. And this is very easy. So we're just on the home screen here. We want to go up to these three horizontal lines in the upper left, select this, and it's going to give us a little sidebar. And we have the option for history right here. Just select this. Then it's going to bring us to the section where we can delete an individual video. So if we don't want this video on here, we can just go to the three little dots or the X, and we can see the options for it. So we got like share, download, save to playlist. Otherwise, we can press that and remove it from our history. Now on the far right side, it says clear all watch history, pause watch history, or manage all history. Let's go to clear watch history and select this. It says your YouTube watch history will be cleared. All right, and this will include all your devices too. So your phone, anything that has this account. So let's go to clear watch history, and nothing is in here now. So we can go back to videos and start watching them now, and they should show up under that list now. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.